Hi, this is Smita Deo and welcome to Get Curried. A few days back, we had an impromptu dinner at home and everybody wanted to eat starters more than the main course. And so I decided to make a quick fix for the starters, which is my version of the Malai Tikka. So I'm going to show you this recipe today. So I'm going to marinate 3/4 kg of boneless chicken, which I have cut into small cubes. I'm going to marinate it with some cream. I have taken 400 ml of cream here. Just pour on this. I'm going to use half the cream for this right now. I have taken 10 finely chopped green chilies, a little spicy variety, almost a tablespoon of Garam Masala. Just mix this little. I'm going to add the salt. Finely chopped coriander, loads of it. Mix this well and I'm going to marinate it for an hour. It's been an hour that this chicken has been marinating. Now I'm just going to simply put it in a hot pan and cook it till it's done. Cook this on a medium flame. And the trick about the chicken is that you should cook it till the chicken is just done, because if you overcook a boneless chicken, it becomes very chewy. So just be careful when you're cooking your boneless chicken. Just cover this and cook it, and I'm going to just occasionally stir it so that it doesn't burn. Let's check on the chicken. This is almost done. I'm going to dry this up a bit more. So we've dried it a bit. Now I'm going to add the remaining cream. Mix this well. I'm going to garnish it with a little more coriander. Just cook it for a few minutes more. So our dish is ready to be served. I'm going to just shut off the flame and I'm going to put this in a serving platter. And now I'm going to just add some finely chopped coriander to this and we are good to eat it. I know this recipe is full of cream, but indulgence once in a way is absolutely okay. So do try this dish and let me know. For such indulgent recipes, stay tuned to Get Curried.